nagpapatattoo ka pero nabura after 2 weeks. Common problem ito ng mga first-time tattoo collector. And some couple na nagpapatattoo dahil sa nauusong trend ngayon online and usually sa fingers pinapalagay. Based on studies, any part ng skin natin na mataas ang level of friction, exposed to sunlight, and rapid skin regeneration ay prone talaga sa mabilis na pagkabura ng tattoo natin. Such as hands and fingers, feet and ankles, elbow and knees, inner lip or mouth, pati sa face, neck, and ears dahil madalas exposed sa sunlight. So those are the areas na prone talaga mabura yung tattoo after a few weeks or a few months, and it may require multiple sessions of touch-ups just to make it look better again and again. So another pain and expenses talaga siya. Anyway, case-to-case basis pa rin ito since iba-iba yung skin type natin and nature of lifestyle natin. It may last longer kung si artist mo naman ay nag-double deeper sa skin mo while tattooing. Now the problem is, it may result a blowout of ink inside your skin. Although medyo magtatagal nga yung ink, but it won't look nice since kakapal yung details nito due to that blowout of ink inside your skin. Kaya before tayo magpatattoo around those areas, siguraduhin aware tayo sa mga fading results nito and frequent touch-ups. At hindi guarantee na maglalast talaga. The best options we can have is to choose those areas na pasok pa rin sa aesthetic natin at hindi doon sa mga prone areas. And also babagay doon sa designs na pinipili natin. So keep in mind na there are still some reasons na mag-fade pa rin yung tattoo mo kahit hindi doon sa mga prone of fading areas nakalagay. Common reasons are, if an artist is not expert enough to do a tattoos, it might be mababaw yung pagka-tattoo niya or na-overwork niya ito. And some are using low quality inks. So make sure to research wisely kung kanino and saan ka magpapatattoo. And lastly, yung improper aftercare, like picking sa scabs, not keeping your tattoo clean, or not following your artist's instruction. Possible na mabubura pa rin yan. Kaya always make sure to follow your artist's advice. So that's it. I hope makatulong, especially sa mga first time magpapatattoo or nagpaplano pa lang. Always do your research first para safe. And always ask your artist for any clarifications. Again, this is Ronnie from Rad Tattoo. Comment down below if you have more questions.